Now let's solve this problem. If A is an acute angle and sin A is equal to 3 by 5, find all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A. See here in the bracket they have given us only by using the trigonometric identities. Now trigonometric ratios. We know the trigonometric ratios. Which are they? They are trigonometric ratios. They are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta and secant theta. These are the trigonometric ratios and we have to find these by using the trigonometric identities. Now let's solve this problem. Solution. Now let's see what is given in the problem. Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. What is given? Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. And we know the trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But in the place of theta, they have given A. So, let me replace this theta as A. That is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. We know the value of sin A. So, we can find out the value of cos A by using this formula. That is cos square A is equal to 1. This plus sin square A, when it will come this side, it will become minus sin square A. That is cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. We know the value of sin A. So, sin square A, what it will become? 3 by 5 the whole square. Right? Now, cos square A is equal to 1 minus 3 square is 9. 5 square is 25. Now, look at this. Here we have numerator. Nothing in the denominator means we will take it as 1. Now, take the LCM of 1 and 25. That is cos square A is equal to 25 is the LCM. Then 1 into 25, that is 25 minus 9. That is cos square A is equal to 25 minus 9 is 16 divided by 25. Now, we know the trigonometric ratio, that is cos A. So, here we have the value of cos square A. So, what we will do? Cos square A is equal to 16 by 25. Then, cos A is equal to what? It will become square root of 16 by 25. Now, see here, cos A is equal to, we know that 16 means 4 the whole square. 25 means 5 the whole square. So, I will write it as 4 by 5 the whole square. Square root of 4 by 5 the whole square. Now, this square and the square root, it will get cancelled. Then, cos A is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. Now, we know the value of cos A. Now, by using sin A and cos A, we can find the value of tan A, right? Because we know that tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. What is the value of sin A? That is 3 by 5. So let me write 3 by 5 whole divided by cos A. What is the value of cos A? That is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Now look at this. This 5 it is in the denominator and this 5 it is in the denominator. It will get cancelled. Then what is left? 3 by 4. Therefore the value of tan A is what? 3 by 4. Now by using this one, we can find out the value of cot A. Because cot A is equal to what? Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Therefore, we can write it as 1 whole divided by tan A. Tan A is what? 3 by 4. Therefore, cot A it will become reciprocal of tan A. That is 4 by 3. Okay. Tan A is 3 by 4. Cot A is 4 by 3. Because cot A it is the reciprocal of tan A. Now, we know the value of sin A. So, we can find out the value of cosecant A. Because cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Cosecant, it is the reciprocal of sin. Therefore, it will become 1 by sin A. That is 3 by 5. It will become 5 by 3. That is cosecant A is equal to what? 5 by 3. Now, we know the value of cos A, right? Cos A. So, we can find out the value of secant A. Because secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. That is the reciprocal of secant A is the reciprocal of cos A. Therefore, 1 by 4 by 5. It is 5 by 4. That is the value of secant A is what? 5 by 4. Now let me highlight the answers. Cot A, cos A, tan A, cot A, cosecant A and secant A. We have found all the 6 trigonometric ratios by using the trigonometric identities. Hope you have understood. Thank you.